Unlock unparalleled travel experiences and skyrocket your hotel stays with Hilton Honors Diamond status. I'm about to reveal exactly how you benefit. First up, complimentary breakfast for you and a guest at most Hilton properties. Start your day right with a full spread without spending a dime. Next, room upgrades. Subject to availability of course, but Diamond members get priority, potentially landing you in a stunning suite with extra space and luxury. Enjoy guaranteed late checkout. No need to rush. You can request a leisurely checkout to maximize your time and enjoy the hotel amenities a bit longer. Earn a whopping 10 points per dollar spent at almost all Hilton brands, plus elite status bonuses, accelerating your path to even more free nights and upgrades. Access to executive lounges is another perk. Enjoy complimentary snacks, drinks, and a comfortable space to relax or work throughout the day. These are just a few of the amazing benefits you unlock as a Hilton Honors Diamond member. Start enjoying the VIP treatment you deserve.